What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install and use the new Velocity Executor after Roblox's update. So let's get straight into the video. So first step, we open the browser and go to my website. The link will be in the pinned comment. Then we click the download button and you can see how the bootstrapper starts downloading. And once you've completed all these steps, you are going to need to extract this archive with a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. I will use the first option and use the password 2025. So finally, I extracted this folder right here. After extracting, just double click on this folder right here and you can see inside the bootstrapper just opened up with a double click. And as you can see, now we've got Velocity working perfectly. So now I'm gonna join a game and show you what it scores on a UNC test. So the final thing we have to do before running the UNC test is attaching the executor to the client. So just click on the little inject button in the bottom left of the UI and then just give it a couple of seconds, and then as you can see, it'll say it's ready. So now we can open up the dev console and run the UNC test. And if we just scroll down a little, so as you can see, I scored a 99% success rate, which is really good for a free and keyless executor. That means you can basically run most scripts with it. So yeah, make sure to check out Velocity. It will be linked down below in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!